Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. So dear guys, today I am back with another collection about Christmas centerpieces, which is very colorful, beautiful and unique, looking so adorable, charming and attractive. So watch the video till end. I hope you will love this video. It is very helpful for your home decor. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos. Don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.